Monica, what are you doing right now?
I try to look in the monkey and listen what they talk. Listen that? Woo, 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 woo. Wait a little bit. They will come. See? They think, who is this guy? Woo, woo. Listen how they. Woo, 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 woo. The bird answered for me.
It's calling. Monica, it's calling.
God, he talked to me. Before he asked me, something food there? I say, yes, coming. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, wait, they can't hurt me. Can we?
They're calling.
It's true.
Really? What are you guys looking at?
Looking something funny, but. Yeah, look at that. Wow, it's natural food. And let them dry and paint it. How so pretty. You see? Wow. You think it's like a avocado or no avocado, I think. Yeah. Inside has. Yeah. Something open there. Cool. They look. There's a lot of detail. Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's a nice little craft. If only we knew what it was.
Perfect. Okay. Right now it's April. It's hot and humid. But the grass still really green, right? Because a lot of raining here. Good. Yeah. You can see a sweating here. Okay, you see the tree a lot. The guy told us, Panama guy told us, when you put the stick here, 2 months later, go to the tree, measure it, raise. It's so wonderful. 1, 2, hey, hey.
A little bit higher. I think
I hope I can get them. Come on. Oh, looks like a no.
So there's a lot of wildlife.
I don't know how to do it.
So the monkeys are going to visit another noise night.
Oh, so sad. Come. No, do not come out. Still not ready. Come out. Sorry. They don't want to come out. No, I don't think so. I can tell it's very strong touch. Ah! Pain. Pain, pain, pain. Yeah. Okay. First, you need to use like that. Natural. Yeah. And then. Yeah. They call apple, sweet apple.
Water.
Oh, water apple. Okay. Very good. A little bit sour, but it's good. Good. Look at that. Wonderful. Beautiful. Yeah. Okay. Now I find something. The tree. Only one tree I know the name is called teak tree.
Teak?
Yeah. Usually they grow up very good for Panama, and the wood used for bow and outdoor. Looking some house here and big property near the ocean. Look at that. Private beach. Oh, deep 18 acres. And I try to do, if I got this property, I will get some chicken. Every day I have egg. And then I can use the egg, try some coconut drink. Look at that. Natural coconut drink. Ah, yummy.
Monica, can you show us the spider?
Hey, look at that. Big, huge. But some reason spider is good because he eats some bug. Snail. Look at that. Come here, see? Wow.